Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson. Italian practice lesson number 7. Practice easy Italian sentences with me. Okay? Today we will see the different forms of the word ecco in Italian. And if you all like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Let's begin our today's class. Italian practice lesson number 7. Eccomi. Eccomi. Here I am. Ecco, here, me, I am. Eccomi. Eccoti. Ecco, here. You are ti. Eccoti. Eccoti. Eccola. Here she is. Eccola. We use la for a girl. Ecco, here, la, she is. Eccolo, here he is. Ecco, here, lo, he is. We use o for men in Italian. Eccoci. Eccoci. Remember the CI sign here? Eccoci, not eccochi, okay? Eccoci, here we are. Eccoli. Eccoli, here they are. Eccoli, plural, here they are. Next is here it is. It has 4 different types. Ecco qui, it also means here it is. Ecco qua, ecco lì, ecco là. You can use them in the different situations, okay? Whenever you want, you can use them. Ecco qui, ecco qua, ecco lì, ecco là. Okay? Here it is. For more helpful videos, subscribe to my channel Languages with Sara. I hope you all like my videos and these videos are helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao, grazie. A presto.